What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy with another hot video from Sandtrans LLC, where we are driving for financial freedom. That's our motto, that's our goal, and we stepping in the right direction. We just here for another shop day. It's back in for the weekend, so on the weekend we like to clean it up, do any maintenance that we need to. Right today we're just doing the oil, not the oil filters, we're doing the air filters, just the air filter clean, wash it up, got the tires rotated, and gonna pressure wash the trailer here this afternoon. But just a little routine maintenance. But hey, listen, I want to talk about why my fuel tank was leaking. One of the subscribers kicked in some information, and man, I appreciate all my subscribers, man. I love y'all, man. Y'all helping the brother out in a major way. But this is my new fuel tank that I just installed about 2 weeks ago. And my other fuel tank, if you watch my older videos, it kept leaking right here. Every time we would fix it, it would crack right here. And one of the subscribers who has one of these told me that if you don't install this kit that comes with the fuel tank, it's going to leak. And basically the way it works is this screw right here with this spring on it mounts down through the tank. And what happens is when the fuel shakes around in the tank, goes from left to right, it causes the tank to flex back and forth, which relieves all the pressure off of the tank. Not all of it, but most of the pressure off of the tank. And it allows it to flex. Because when I have it mounted down, you know, I had two screws here. I had one here and one here, the same one. I had it cranked down real tight, so the tank could not flex back and forth when the fuel goes back and forth. And we believe that it was causing the crack. So basically what I did is I took this grade A bolt, I broke it loose because these screws are really small. The ones that come with it are really small, so I don't really trust them. But I broke it loose to give it some type of flexibility. And then I installed the screws that came with it. You can see how skinny they are. But I got the spring adjusted to where it has some tension where it could flex back and forth to keep it from breaking. And then I had this screw here just to keep it from, you know, flying off or anything like that, which I doubt it would do, because I had these screws right here on Big Bertha, and we never had a problem with it cracking. But when I transferred the tank from Big Bertha onto this truck, then we had the issue with it cracking. So shout out to the subscriber. Sorry I can't remember your name, but you know who you are. I appreciate the information, and I did it on both sides. Got this one done, same thing. Got some tension in there, so we shouldn't have a problem in the future with it leaking. Just surprised they only sent me 3, because with Big Bertha they sent me 2 for this side, 1 for the middle, which I don't have anything in the middle, and then 2 for the other side. But hey, if this video was any help to you, let me know. If you got any more comments, I appreciate all the comments I've been getting on the videos. Our subscribers are up to 1.4, trying to hit the 2K before the end of the year. So like, subscribe, share the channel. I appreciate everything. Hey man, see y'all next time. Keep trucking with us. This is Sandtrans LLC, where we're driving for financial freedom. And I'm signing out, man. Y'all have a great day. Have a great week. See ya.